Right now, it is the mercy seat of God. This is the mercy seat of God.
Mercy seat is a place where God is so welcome. And that's my prayer. Now, pinag-iwan na to sa previous time. Ito na to. We're gonna make sure na ito na to is gonna be a mercy.
Sobrang excited po kami, hindi po kami nakatulog kanina ng bahay.
Waking up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is
Super excited na kasakay.
Sino sa inyo yung may medical attention? Sino po? Kailangan medical, no? Hindi lang yung attention lang, no?
Fill my eyes with wonder. Forever young in your love. This freedom's untainted. With you, no moment is wasted. See the sun now bursting through the clouds.
Nung talaga yung tapos kasi ginugol nila si Lord. Wala eh, ginagalit, pinipilit na lang yung mga distraction. Yung paano kayo ako, mag-work mo.
This is living now. This is living now. You take me higher than I've been before. It's your perfect love that sees me soar.
Performance nila ngayon. Wala!
You are everything.
Sobrang saya, Mami!
I was praying a while ago. I said, God, I don't even deserve to preach. You know my sin. You know how impure I am. But God, I'm coming to you honest. I'm coming to you honest. And I'm saying, Lord, I'm not worthy. But God, by your grace, let us worship you. Let us encounter you. Let us see your face. By your grace.
Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, can't control. I want more of you, God.
Sino yung tinatempt na kalaban dito? Yung alam niya, kay Lord pa. Nagigasan, kaya kung ngayon, natitempt ka, may temptation pa sa buhay mo, ibig sabihin, may silbi ka sa kingdom ni Lord. Amen? Yung mga problema ninyo, tinatago-tago ninyo, pero alam niyo naman, alam lahat siya ni Lord. Para saan? Ba't niyo pa tinatago? Kita niyo naman, ang sarap ng feeling pagka lahat binibigay mo kayo.
Your brokenness will turn into testimony. Yung brokenness mo na yan, yung pagkakasala mo na ito, overcome mo yan dahil mag-confess ka. Tapos next time, ikaw naman yung mag-bless sa ibang tao.
Ikaw lang, makakapag-forgive ka lang, makakapag-move forward ka pa lang. Kapag sinabi mo sa sarili mo na, I am healed by faith.
Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, I can't control. 'Cause I want more of you.
To be called a son, you don't have to be good. You don't have to be worthy. You are a son. Kung Kristiyano ka, wala kang choice. Walang ibang klase ng buhay na binigay sa atin si Lord kung hindi victorious life. Hindi ka pinatawad, hindi siya namatay sa krus para maging talunan.
Ang dami walang direction ng
buhay. Pero yung tao, totoong nakaranas kay Lord, pag binigyan siya ng purpose, talagang bibigyan niya yung buong buhay niya para magawa lang yun. Kasi nagkaroon na siya ng purpose. At last, may purpose na ako.
I want to tell you this. If two of you agree down here on earth concerning anything, you ask, my Father in heaven will do it for you.
Diba? Smile mo na, happy, happy! Happy na!
At the top of our lungs.
Tayong lahat dito, no? Ang tatapang natin pag may ipis. Pero once ang lumipad doon,
And now we're turning our hearts to you. And oh, we'll never stop.
Makakanulit siya kami. Ay, hindi ako nakapag-graduate kami.